performing. And
It's fun. I mean,
seeing,
it kind of makes sense,
yeah,
given that I'm her parent, and I'm gonna declare. Well, I'm not so much declaration, but I can already see that as an actor, she is far smarter than I was at that age. It's not just yung instinct niya, but also how she thinks of acting. And one of my best friends kind of babysat her because I had rehearsals or a show. So he took her to her acting class, and then he said, "Oh yeah, all of the kids had to write a monologue for themselves, and she wrote a really, really good one, and she delivered this monologue in front of in front of the rest of the class, and it's just what she has to say, how she says it, may something yung sa acting, yung bata. So I'm kind of wanting to encourage her, and at the same time, she also expresses, I don't want the showbiz stuff. I just want to do theater. I don't want to be famous. I don't want to have to deal with what you have to deal with sometimes. I don't like strangers coming up to me, things like that. You know, she doesn't want to have to feel the obligations of celebrity, I guess. She just wants to do the art. That's her thing. She just wants to do this, and that's it.
being surrounded like with the kids and mga parents nila, what is your takeaway? Perhaps.
I'm actually happy that the set of parents, like on this show, I mean, they're just genuinely supportive of their children. Na hindi mala stage mother na over. I'm grateful that they trust us to help coach their kids, and the coaching on it is real. Even in however short time periods we might have, we don't mess around, and we take this very seriously because they're exposed to us na eh. They see how we perform, and sometimes yung iniidolo mo, yung pinipili mo para maging coach mo dahil may something yung idol mo na gusto mo ring tularan o gusto mo ring gayahin. And so we have to be generous with these children and teach them about the stuff that we've learned. So it's parang a way that we get to pay it forward. Na parang this is how I get to say thank yous to all of my coaches and my teachers that have taught me what I know. And I'd like to think that they've trained me well. So there are so many kids that get to go through us on that show. So parang yun na lang yung magiging pasalamat ko sa lahat ng mga nagturo sa akin. So what I am today is thanks to a lot of what I've learned from so many wonderful, incredible teachers that I've had.
Lea, is Nicole gonna watch Sweeney
She
Todd?
refuses. She knows the music, she's heard the music, she's heard me rehearse it at home. She went to a rehearsal and sat in a room where she was just we were just doing music. But it was getting very dramatic and emotional when she could hear what was happening. Somebody was screaming, and she's like, I'm not watching this. I don't want to watch this. I would play the cast album in the car so that I could start hearing the music. She's like, Mom, this is creepy. Mom, this song is really creepy. I don't think I want to see this, even if you're in it. So, like, anak, don't worry. I'm not requiring you to watch. I mean, if ever she comes to Soler, she'll be backstage. She'll stay backstage. We'll turn off the speakers in the room so that she doesn't have to deal with this. And that'll be the end of that. She loves dressing up for Halloween and likes like makeup and looking like a whole different creature. Like last year she was the Phantom for Halloween.
Wow.
So this does not scare her because she knows it's mommy behind all that makeup. But she has a really vivid imagination. So the music frightens her.